You're just like my sport car, driving fast, you go.